Hi, I'm at Deets and I'm an installation technician for ESCO Security, and today we're going to be looking at an identity card access control system. This configuration right here is for 4 doors. We're utilizing 3, but this setup is we have a power supply, a dual voltage module, a power distribution module, and a lock distribution module. Together, all 4 of these boards make up all the power that I need to power all my devices up in the access control system. Down here we've got our access control controller boards, and we've got 2 boards for each one. It'll control the card readers, the request exit, and all the locks. It all comes out of here. So if you follow me over here, we'll take a look at how a door actually works. So here we are at the Wilbur Apartments Building 1, and this door is access control, has mag locks to lock the door. As you can see, this door is currently locked. Okay, so we have an entry access control system here. We can gain entry to the building by presenting a key fob or card to the card reader built inside the screen. And as you can see, that opened the door, unlocked the door. The other way is if I'm a visitor and I want to visit somebody that's here and I don't have a fob, I can search for them in the directory. So I'm going to go to the directory and search for their name. In this case, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to have ESCO Security in there. So I have my own phone number in there, and I'm going to go down to there and I'm going to hit the call button. It's calling, and it'll ring on their phone. If I was inside the apartment, it worked the same way. I would go to answer the call. Now I can have two-way communication to talk to whoever's at the door. And then at that point, I can hit the 9 button. You say access granted, and then it unlocks the door. Now if you follow me inside, I'll show you how the mag lock works. So here we are inside the door, just to show you what the hardware looks like. We have installed a double mag lock with status indicator lights that tells you that the door is actually locked. These are request exit panic bars that are touch sensitive. So they just need a touch, and as you can see, the lights will turn out, and that will allow the locks to unlock and let you exit the building. Otherwise, these locks are magnetically held, so they're holding and they're locking 600 pounds of force. So otherwise, they're locked and won't let you out. So you have to touch the bar to let you out. If that would fail to work, there's an emergency button behind it that you press as an override button. So in this project, we've installed a Hikvision camera system. The customer wanted to view all 3 entrances of the building, so that's what we've done. We got the 2 stair towers here and the main entrance over here with the elevator lobby, the mechanical room. You can click on that, zoom in, get a pretty good image on that. Very typical installation. What ESCO likes to do is minimize the frames per second and set up the motion recording so it records 5 seconds before and after the action in the picture. What that does is minimize the amount of storage space, the storage video that you have on your system, so you can go back longer periods of time to search for video. Hey guys, thanks for joining us while we went over some access control and some intercom and some camera stuff. We'll see you on the next one.